This one trade changed my whole entire trading perspective on everything. If it wasn't for this one trade, I don't know if I would have continued trading.
And right now, we're about to come into this 1 hour gap. It didn't give me the retracement. I'm gonna see what happens at 10, but I wanted to use this previous day's low as a target.
Before the YouTube, I already had my Mercedes. Before YouTube, I already moved from Philadelphia to Tampa by myself, just off of trading. Around this time is during COVID, it's 2020, I have no job, I had nothing. I'm just home all day, getting fried, just doing what a teenager would do. I was 17 at the time. I went to sleep, I don't know what I did. I'm pretty sure it was a buy trade, no stop loss, no TP. When I woke up in the morning, bro, I was up.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Right now, I'm trying to just rush onto this. Just dropped my girlfriend off at work. And now I'm trying to get my work done. I'm trying to get onto this call with VIP so we can actually see what today's hitting for, if my computer would be fast enough. But you know what? We ain't gonna rush nothing. We just gonna do what we can do. Join the call. See what we can do. It's just enough.
I went to Arizona last year.
You could definitely hear some of them. But yeah, nonetheless, we about to get active. It's just another day, another opportunity to be great, another opportunity to make some money. The last few days, we haven't caught some trades so far. I'm about to come over here and try to fix with my mic, but I haven't caught trades the last 2 days. But that doesn't mean we're not going to catch nothing today. That doesn't mean that there's no opportunities that are still possible today. Today is FOMC, so we do got FOMC at 2 p.m. today, which is something to be aware of. It could make the market very slow until then, but nonetheless, we're going to see what we could do. See if my microphone connects now. The microphone connected. Connect my headset, and then we're going to see what we could do. This is all the behind the scenes that you never see, but this is every morning. I gotta do all this, plug it all in, do all this shit up, and then everything turned off. Just amazing, just amazing. Literally, it all turned off. Every single thing just turned off, bro. Literally, the behind the scenes, bro. God damn it, bro. It all just turned off. But yeah, I'll see you when we get on there. Yeah, right now, we about to come into this 1 hour gap on 30. I still like the shorts for 30 because we didn't run that previous day's low still. So I'm about to watch that. And then with Nas, I'm cool off Nas. Yeah, the trade idea I was waiting for on US 30, it didn't give me the retracement. I'm gonna see what happens at 10, but I wanted to use this previous day's low as a target. And considering this gap over here, yeah, it looks like it could just go deeper into it, but we'll see. It ain't over till it's over. Still no trades, but we just gotta wait and see what happens. Looking at NAS 100, if NAS 100 can give me a good push, I'm gonna look for the retracement. If we can close bullish for 9, look for a retracement at 10 to continue bullish, but it's really just a waiting game as of right now. Playing it by ear. Overall, it's pretty choppy, but for the most part, it's not the only one experiencing it. We're all just trying to see what happens. I'm getting in longs on NAS. This is my first trade. I'm bullish on it. Getting that 10 o'clock volume now. I'll say that. Definitely getting some more volume than we've been getting the last couple minutes. We'll see how it goes. Let's see. I'm at break. I'm down 30 bucks. Down 20 bucks. And that's on that dirty shit. The only thing is if this drops, then I guess it's dropping now because 30's having this little push. Hey, these correlations ain't correlating. I'm just going off of what I like each individual one for doing. I like NAS because of that.
Trades over. I ended up having an L day. It was a $300 day. I just hopped out the shower and everything. There was a little bit of an in-between from when I got done the charts to now because the camera battery died. But nonetheless, the $300 loss that had me just kind of thinking in the shower, I was just like, I was being aware of the fact that I wasn't really stuck or like held down to the idea that I'm not a bad trader, that I don't know what I'm doing because I lost a trade. Losing is necessary. As a trader, you need to understand losses are just part of the game. It's a simple tax. No matter how much money you make as a human being, you have to pay taxes, right? It's annoying, but you have to pay it. It's the same thing with losses in trading. Losses are going to happen. You're not going to win 99% of the time. Even if you did win 99% of the time, there's still going to be losses. That little bit, 0.01%, is still a possibility of a loss. You got to understand it's about staying in the game. It's about making sure all your wins are consistently bigger than all of your losses. It's about making sure that you win more than you lose. Losses are going to happen. I take losses, but it's about growing from them. I was in the shower. I'm thinking like, damn, I lost $30 today on that trade. And that was a small trade. That was me risking a little bit. Me losing $300 was a small, low-risk trade. When people think, I'm gonna go low risk, that was my low-risk trade. And I was thinking on the fact because there was this one trade changed my whole entire trading perspective on everything. If it wasn't for this one trade, I don't know if I would have continued trading. This one trade showed me that it was 100% possible. And this one trade changed everything. If it wasn't for this one trade, I say it a lot, I don't know if I'll be here. Because the trade gave me the perspective that I can do it. If I would have never got that push early on into my trading career, I might have not seen any results because I went through a very long time of losing. The first 2 years of trading was literally losing. Everything I deposited, I would lose. Deposit $100, lose it all. Deposit $1,000, lose it all. Get a funded account, lose it. I literally kept losing for 2 years straight, 2.5 years straight, bro. And most people don't understand that. They see where I'm at now. They see the penthouse I'm about to get. They see the car I drive, and they just think I just stumbled upon it. No, bro. I've been working for a long time. Before the YouTube, I already had my Mercedes. Before YouTube, I already moved from Philadelphia to Tampa by myself, just off of trading. People don't understand that a lot of things take time to build. But the specific trade that I'm talking about, I don't know if I've talked about this before. I've talked about it in VIP a couple of times. It was a trade. I'm gonna put into perspective everything. It was late at night. I was still sleeping at my mom's house, still at my parents' house, in the top room. I had a 2-floor house, but it was like a half second floor. It was just like an attic floor. There was attic, a half bathroom, which like we basically put a whole bunch of shower. We put everything in there that made it like a full bathroom. And then we had my room, which essentially, imagine this room, but half of it is curved because that was the side of the house. I had like an attic room. But that was my room for a very long time, 15, 16 years, that was my room. That's the room I learned to trade in. That's the room I started learning online. That's the room I started editing in. That's the room I recorded everything. My first YouTube videos when I was like 10 years old were recorded in that room. That's where it all started. But moral of the story, it was one night, probably a couple months into my trading, maybe 2-3 months into it. Around this time is during COVID, it's 2020, I have no job, I have nothing. I'm just home all day, getting fried, just doing what a teenager would do. I was 17 at the time. I was young. I was very young by the time I graduated high school when COVID hit. But that's when I found about trading because I had all the time in the world online, just educating myself, reading books. I was going to the gym. But this one trade in particular that I took, it was right before I went to sleep. It was like 10 o'clock at night. I'm in bed, everything chilling, just looking at it. For whatever reason, I decided to get into a trade. I don't know what pair I was on. I know for a fact I was trading Forex at the time. This was before I traded US 30, before I traded NAS 100. This was when I was trading Forex. I went to sleep. I don't know what I did. I'm pretty sure it was a buy trade, no stop loss, no TP. When I woke up in the morning, bro, I was up $300 something. And that trade to this day means more to me than any trade ever because at the time, that $300, I was up like $360, $300 something. I don't know the exact number. But bro, that trade changed fucking everything. I never had big trades before. I never had a trade bigger than $100. I never went to sleep and made money. You guys need to understand, this was a time I wasn't making no money. I was literally unemployed. No out of high school, no college, just unemployed. Making $300 live dollars, like this wasn't a demo account. I was really depositing $100 at a time, $100 at a time, trying to flip it, just trying to learn how to trade, not knowing what I was doing. I made $300 something. I lost money afterwards. Don't get me wrong, I lost money afterwards. I didn't even withdraw it. But the fact that I seen that I made $300 on my fucking phone at 17 years old, after studying something for a couple months, I knew it was possible. After watching all the people on YouTube show me it, after watching all the people on Instagram, that was cool. But once I did it myself, it changed everything. I saw that it was possible. And it just gave me the belief and it gave me the confidence in myself to keep going no matter how many losses I took. I always remember that one trade. Because if I can do that once, I just got to figure out exactly what I did to do that and replicate it over time. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Trust me, all you need is one trade. That one trade is either going to make you a whole lot of money to give you some time to focus on building yourself, your skill set, or that one trade is going to give you enough confidence to know that you can never give up. Some people, they never have that trade. They never see success. They go years and years and years not getting that breakthrough trade to where they're like, damn, this is possible. I'm just grateful for it, and I'm grateful that I'm still here and taking advantage of it day by day. But guess what? We don't get here by accident. We get here by putting in the work. So I'm about to go to the gym and do what I do to get to this point, get these gains. How you do one thing is how you do everything. I show up every day. For here, I show up every day with VIP, everything. Like, people don't realize I show up for VIP 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It's a lot. That's every single day. Every single day, I'm active. And that consistency goes with a whole lot of things. Gym, trading, content. Let's get to work. Matter of fact, scratch that. Before I head to the gym, I got my laptop because I was about to edit some of the vlogs, edit some clips, but I keep on putting out past the fact that I have all this clothes, all this trash from, like, me and my girlfriend went through all this shit that we're not keeping, and that's all of this. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna just stop
procrastinating, I'm gonna take the advice I tell you guys and just do it. If you have the idea to do something, if you know you have to do something, don't put it off, just get it done. So I'm about to slowly take all of this shit out to the trash, and then once I get back from that, then I'm going to edit my videos and edit the clips and everything. Just gotta be able to plan your day accordingly. I got, you guys right now are sitting on more bags and everything. But before I dip, I need to show you this. Like, bro, this is baffling, bro. I'm not showing you nothing crazy. No Diddy. Bro, it has one pocket. Look, you see this? You see how this has a pocket, right? You can barely see. See how this is a pocket, right? Pocket, if you look under it, you can see it has like the pocket, John. Right? You'll see where I'm getting with this. Look, if you look in the pocket, you see it has like the pocket flap like under the John. Bro, my right side has a fake pocket. Like what the Bro, the weird thing is, it has the pocket latch too. Bro, am I tripping? Maybe they were $10 for a reason. I got fucking finesse, but I'm gonna get this shit done. All right, I just got done doing all this stuff, taking all that trash out there. Fortunately enough, good timing. The person that comes to do the trash, they came when I was taking some of the bags. So I took some bags, then I came back to get more bags, and then when I came back, they came. So it was like we got it all done essentially. But got my laptop, about to take the SD card out of this camera, start editing the vlog that you guys are watching right now. This is how you do it. Like, if you guys wonder how I have videos every single day, constantly post every single day, religiously, consistently, it's because I have systems in place. When I have time, like right now it's 12:45. Right now it's about 12:45. I did everything I need to do for the first portion of the morning besides go to the gym and everything. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna get some of my content created for Instagram, get some of my content created for the YouTube shorts, and start editing the YouTube vlog that you guys are watching right now. Just be smart, work smart. You don't gotta work hard, work fucking smart. So now, that's what I'm about to do. Let's get to it. Got a little intermediate break from my editing the content. I already got about, I would say 4 different clips and everything edited, and I already have them scheduled. I'll just go to my scheduled content. I already created, so I created 4 different reels. I posted 1 reel and I got the 3 other ones getting ready to post tonight. But if you look at the time, it's about to be FOMC. News is about to come out. We're about to just see what it's gonna do. I basically just have the highs and lows of the previous day marked up. I'm not taking no trades. Have the previous day's highs and lows marked up over here, and we're just gonna see what the market does. I'm gonna show you guys why we don't trade FOMC. So in 50 seconds, we're gonna see. Watch. All right, so my camera literally died as I was doing. I was gonna try to record over there, but I guess we're gonna do it on the phone. We got a couple seconds. Sheesh. Yeah, look at all this. Look at all this volume, and this has literally only been a couple seconds into it. I was definitely more bullish going into it, so let's see if it's gonna go for that high. Oh yeah, there goes it going for the high. What's US 30 doing? Oh yeah, it's going for that high. Ooh. Yeah, see, that's why you don't trade FOMC. You would have got stopped out with that wick down to the downside just for it to keep going up. But that's FOMC for you. Be careful. Be very careful. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. But yeah, this is all I was just gonna show you guys. Show you guys why we don't trade it. It could have gone either way. It could have either made a good amount of money or lost money. All I know is I'd rather keep my account. Things over here. Oh, it doesn't look like anything good. Yo, where are my keys, man? This shit's horrible. It's a phone case, bro. Honestly, it's not going. I feel like I'm doing more damage. Nah, so you just get like that. It was just that first one trying to get it. Voila. Care Bear phone case. Smells good. It's not worth $25 though. I'm about to get it withdrawal. Give me my money. Give me my money. Alright, bro, get out the street, big dog. When it is setup and everything, I want stuff like on the desk. Like this is a cool ashtray. I would have this on the desk too, just to like throw stuff in. This I would definitely have on the desk. Come on, give me that lemonade. I need it all.
And we're back at the crib, and as you guys can see from the glasses and all the footage that you've seen up until this point, I got the new glasses. You know what I'm saying? The trading content about to hit different. I'm telling you, the trading content is about to hit different. I'm about to take POV trading, how I made $1,000 trading, to a whole nother level. I'm about to show the exact process and everything. Now, you've probably seen some of the clips. I don't know how good the quality is. I personally haven't looked at it yet, but we're gonna see what we can do. This isn't gonna be like the new camera. This is just for certain things that make sense to have it recorded. You know what I'm saying? Like when I may be cooking, like when I'm doing something that I don't have my hands, that I can just have like a couple little Johns in there. And they kind of headphones too. They're like AirPods, so it's kind of cool, kind of a good investment. Not gonna lie, you gotta invest in yourself. You gotta invest in your businesses. I don't really buy stuff that doesn't make me more money. This is gonna make me more money. This is gonna make me more content. It's gonna make me more reels. It's gonna give me more exposure to just do things that are cool. I like to have fun with this shit. I don't care to get a fucking billion views on a video. I just like to have fun with it and do what I love. I like recording. I like giving value. I like recording content, as you guys see. But this is where the vlog's gonna come to an end. For the most part, it was a slow day. I took a $300 loss, so I got some $300 glasses, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of a retail therapy, but at the end of the day, we just come back again tomorrow. I'm going to see what the rest of the week's hitting for. Today was FOMC, so that's why we did go low risk. Tomorrow, I will be risking normal, probably risking about $500 a trade. So if we get a win, we're going to make $1,000. We'll make $1,500. We'll make that $300 we lost back. The losses is just part of the game. Stop focusing on the losses and simply focus on a process. Losses are gonna happen. It's just about winning more than you lose. If you wanna learn how to trade, my systems, my concepts, the free trading course will teach you everything for completely free. Trust me, in the description, check it out. It has a lot of info. Take advantage of it, trust. And if you wanna learn how to actually get experience, take my trades, watch my trades, watch me manage trades, watch the team manage trades, and actually be in a community of like-minded individuals, trading 5 days a week, active 7 days a week, active 365 days a year. Join VIP. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna play around with these, see what we can do.